What if I told you this entire vertical garden waters itself using wastewater from air conditioners? No manual watering, no waste, just pure self-sustaining growth. This is my bromeliad vertical garden, and the best part, it runs almost completely on autopilot. Hi, my name is Ravi and I am a plant enthusiast from India. Every day, our air conditioners throw away liters and liters of water, and most people just let it go waste. But this water is actually perfect for plants like bromeliads. It's low in minerals and salts, and that's exactly what they love. If you like to grow bromeliads, do watch my detailed guide on bromeliads. And watch till the end, I'll show you how to automate this completely. So here's what I did. I collect all the AC water into this 50-liter storage tank. With 2 AC units running all day on this side of the building, this tank fills up quite easily, more than enough for the entire vertical garden. From here, this diaphragm pump lifts the water through this tiny blue tube. Under intense high pressure, it gets distributed through the fine misting nozzles. These are very easy to install plug-and-play type misting nozzles, which can be a great DIY project. This keeps humidity high and the plants perfectly hydrated, just like their natural habitat. So technically, this garden doesn't need watering at all. So here's the bonus tip. To make it even easier, you can connect the fogger to a smart plug. Set timers, schedule misting cycles, or even program the fogging system to turn on and off according to the outside temperature. All using a simple smart plug, and your garden completely runs on its own. Zero effort, maximum growth. What do you think about this idea? Would you try using AC wastewater for your plants? Type yes if you would try this, or just type next level if you want a full step-by-step setup video on this DIY. Don't forget to subscribe. More smart gardening ideas coming soon. Also share it with someone who might need it. My next video is going to be a beautiful DIY on how I make incredible living walls. So subscribe to get the notification when it gets live. Till then, see you again with an exciting new episode. Happy gardening.